Coming up later in this video.
So hairdryer blowing, I don't know, this normally, I don't know how to explain this.
But first,
hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. This one's going to be a bit different again. I love experimenting with these ideas, and this one's going to be different than the other ones. We are doing it as a Dutch pour, so hairdryer blowing, I don't know, this normally, I don't know how to explain this. Normally I will, when you do a Dutch pour, you lay out your paints, then you blow with the hairdryer. Usually they're in lines, connected, but this one's going to be separate today. So what are we doing? We've got our violet, we've got our pastel blue with purple. That is mine. It's like a shade of purple. So shade means dark, so it's a darker version of purple. Then we've got gold, and I'm going to start with a little bit of gold to lay out my idea. I'm going to be blowing over these, so I don't have to be too delicate. I could have removed that one. I didn't actually mean to have that dot, but there it is. All right, let's use the hairdryer and see if this is going to work. That is actually pretty much spot on to what I was going for. But what I'm going to do is add in a couple more. Let's blow this part out. Interesting. Look, I would normally not make something like this, but I like the way it looks like little flowers. Just little flowers. I'm wondering if I should just add a bit of an embellishment to each of these. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to it worked! Oh my gosh! Yes! And the paint's already filling in those gaps because it's self-leveling. Got the consistency right. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Okay, they look like little flowers. I'm going to bring you in. I'm just going to make sure my hands aren't messed up. Come on down. Wow. I like it. It's different, you know? It's not something I'd normally do, and that's why I'm experimenting. So there you go, you can make little flowers. Oh my gosh, it worked! I bet you didn't know I was going to do flowers with it, did you? Hey? Nice surprise. Well, thank you for watching this portion of the video. Next you'll see Katobi from the future with this varnished, having a conversation with you about it, and he'll explain more. I'll see you in the next part of the video. I was so surprised that this worked. I love it. It's hard to see, but these parts here are actually gold, so they catch the light quite prettily. I'll see what I can do about getting a little bit of footage for that, for you to be able to see for yourself. Last week's also had gold, and again, it didn't show up. It's one of those things. I'm thinking of switching my gold to another company's gold. A little bit more money, but you pay for quality, right? Yeah, these flowers are gorgeous. I do have to be completely honest. This one flower here Not happy with. Yeah, that's right. You know what you did. Instead of taking the stem part right through here, I really should have done it through here. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it too. I'll see what I can do about getting those shots for you where you can see the gold. Enjoy the flyover, that's going to be next. And let's get into... Oh, hang on. Before we go. Hi. Yeah, meow, meow. Meow. You helped out last week, didn't you? Mello wants to also say thank you to all the people who gave her kind words for her description of last week's painting. If you didn't see that, go check out last week's painting. Ready to go? Thanks everyone. Bye.